Hi guys, Danielle again, Danielle's Homemade Products. I have another little haul here. This one is from Nature's Garden. Sodium lactate because I was almost out. Bottles are cold, they were sitting outside. Okay, I've got Green Irish. No, I can't read them all, so I'll just open them. Green Irish, which is supposed to smell like an Irish Spring soap. Maybe. Ooh, that's very nice. Yes, it does remind me of Irish Spring soap. That's a good one. That's going to be fun to do. Dark Musk. I wanted some new men's scents. I only had a couple. Gonna smell like that one now. I like that one, but I don't know that I would consider this just a men's scent. I would wear this one. It's very pretty. I can't think of how to describe this scent though, so I'll work on that one. This one's Black Linen and Amber. Oh, this reminds me of fabric softener or dryer sheets. The Linen Fresh, that's what this one reminds me of. Black Linen and Amber. It's very pretty. Let's see if I got a little bit more. I like how they send you a little rose. And this one is for Amaretto. I like how they send you a new scent to sample on a little rose. I'm not sure about that one. I'll have to wait and see if I think I'm smelling some of the other scents I've already tried. Okay, Down Home Country. These ones I weren't sure of, so I got just a little bottle of them. That's different. Nice though. It reminds me of like being out and playing in the country, which is kind of where I'm at. So Bedtime Baby was another one. Oh, this one reminds me of like baby lotion. Yeah, that one reminds me of baby lotion. It's really pretty. This is Water Lily and Jasmine. Ooh, I like that. It is floral, but it's like a clean floral. I can smell the lily and the jasmine in it. That's very pretty. I'm not a big floral person, so that says a lot. And this is Loving Spell, which is supposed to be a dupe of Love Spell from Victoria's Secrets. Ooh. I really like that one. It's kind of... it's a very fruity scent. It reminds me of, I can't even think of, like, it does remind me of oranges. It's a very fruity scent. I do like that one a lot too. And that's it for now. I do have a couple more shipments coming in, but until they're here, I'm waiting on one of them to come in because I ordered some new molds. Some silicone molds. I was having problems with some of my wooden ones leaking, so I thought I would try out some silicone molds and see how much I liked them. But as soon as I get here, I'll do another haul on them. Thanks.